Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the 3i app settings for the G10 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. If you're interested in the G10, the link to it will be in the video description, so be sure to check it out there. So first things first, we're in the 3i app. Here is our device. So we have a couple of quick shortcuts here. Take a look at the cleaning options we have. And then we can also go ahead and select the purple enter button. That takes us into the device settings, where we're going to start in the top right-hand corner. So we have the settings gear icon. We can select that. And then we have a preview of our cleaning history. We can set a cleaning schedule. Choose the hour, the minute, which cleaning mode you want, which days of the week you want it to repeat. Then we have our edit map option, so we can change the display as well as edit the room, no-go zones, add furniture, change the flooring type, choose what we want displayed on the map with the layer display option. So that's where we can edit the map settings. Then we have our cleaning settings, so we can adjust carpet cleaning settings. How do you want it to handle carpets? Carpet boost, vacuum carpet first, clean carpet twice. You get the idea. Then clean along floor direction, we can toggle that on or off. Then we have side brush extension, we can toggle that on or off. Dustbin debris compression, on or off. More robot settings, child lock, do not disturb, language and volume. If you want to enable off-peak charging to save some money with your utility bills. And then we basically have like our calibration settings, factory reset. We can locate the robot if it's missing around the house, or remove the device from our account. Then below that, we have AI recognition, so we can toggle that on or off. You can avoid pets too if you want to turn that on. AI smart cleaning, real scene photos, pet snapshots, night vision lighting for the LED. Yes, night vision lighting. There's a little typo there. And then with this question mark in the top right-hand corner, if you want to learn more about the AI recognition and how that works. Below that, we have dirt recognition. We can toggle that on or off. Video manager. So we do have live video monitoring. We can adjust some of those settings right there. Consumables. This can let us know when it's time to repair, replace common parts and components and conduct maintenance. So here's the side brush. Main brush. Dustbin filter. The filter is washable for those that are wondering. Mop pad. But again, very detailed breakdown there. Device sharing, we can share this with friends or family. Firmware upgrades, we can learn more about this device, privacy and security settings, and feedback, so very detailed. To the left of the settings gear icon, center of the screen, gives you a breakdown of its previous clean and current battery percentage. Below the settings gear icon, we have the map edit. We already looked at this from the settings menu, but this is another way to get to it. Below that, we have our live video monitoring, so we can select that camera icon and be taken into live video monitoring as this patrols around the house. Then we have our main map here. We can zoom in or out. Below that, we have multiple tabs, full, room, and zone cleaning options. So choose which one you want. You can click multiple rooms. You can add multiple zones. Looks like up to 5 zones supported at one time. And then below that, we can adjust our cleaning settings. AI auto, vacuum and mop, just vacuum, just mop, or a custom clean. So that's going to be individual room cleaning settings. So a lot of fine-tune options here. We can adjust suction power, water flow level, how many times we want it to clean, 1 or 2 times. We can adjust the cleaning order. So choose which rooms you want cleaned in what particular order. So very detailed there. And then below that, we have our station, so we can return back to the station, or we can press the start button in the bottom right-hand corner to have it go out and start cleaning. So that's a quick look at the 3i G10 Plus app settings. Lots of customization and cleaning options.